Hey everybody, good afternoon. My name is Richard Sayward. I'm the General Manager of Vocational Sales for Freightliner Trucks, and we're here today at the Waste Expo to launch the exciting new Freightliner Econic SD. The Econic came to our attention in the early 2000s when we were traveling to Germany and seeing the absolute breadth of product line offered by Mercedes-Benz Trucks. And the idea hit us that we ought to be bringing that truck to the United States. This truck is going to change the game in the waste collection industry because it incorporates safety, and that safety is built in to the truck, from the cab design to all the safety systems there. The waste collection industry has been ignored from this vantage point by every other OEM in the market. We're not doing that. We want to make sure that every driver has a fighting chance at operational safety on a daily basis.